All right, now we have all the pieces in place. What you want to do first is to make sure that you have it set up so the front of the screen is down. You'll know this by these straps. There's 3 of them total, 2 on each side, 1 in the middle. So you want those facing up. For the base of the screen, you want these straps also up, and you want the straps face this direction towards the back. For the sake of demonstration, I'm not going to stake this down, but you do stake this down. Hammer, mallet, anything you use. And there's 4 slots for this, one on each side here and 1 on each side over there. So this is the 4 stakes to put in. First thing you want to do is you want to connect the screen to the base. Down below, you may be able to see that there is Velcro on the bottom of the screen and on the base. You just want to line up the 3 pieces of Velcro together. Fold them in. Okay, so now the 2 pieces are attached. You've got the screen attached to the base by the Velcro slots in there. The next thing you'll want to do is you want to connect these 2 clips together, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle. And this will bring the screen up and in the upright position. So we've got the first one connected. It helps if you step on the base when you're doing this. We are going to add the poles in place to make it stand upright. There are 3 poles, 2 of equal length, and 1 it's a little larger, and that goes in the middle. We'll start with one of the outer ends. On the bottom, there is a little eyelet down here where the pole will slip in on one end. And on the top also, there's an eyelet. Might be able to see this one better. Right up here. These are not going to break, you don't have to bend them too far, but you do want to get it so it's in there. And this is when you can adjust the strap so that this is actually not more at a bent piece. So there we go. So now you got that one firmly in place. Sometimes it helps if you have an extra person stepping on him while you're doing this, but it can be done alone. And we reach over. So we've got the longer piece now. This is the middle clip. I'm going to adjust the strap first because it needs a little more slack to get this in. And you can adjust these before or after, but first thing you gotta get the poles in. So it's already standing up pretty good with just the 2 poles, and we're gonna add the 3rd one in. And I'm gonna tighten the strap. So now, as you see, it's once you have the stakes in that I did not place in the bottom here on these lips, it'll be much more it won't be susceptible to being blown down by the wind. But right now it's standing up pretty good on its own, and you've got pretty much the full setup as it is.